Good morning everyone. I'm very happy with water cup that I got for chickens. But I have another issue now. Because it's a 5-gallon bucket with a flat top. Everybody jump on it and poop on it. So it gets pretty messy. So I gotta find a way to not let them jump on it. Nothing is leaking. I'm pretty impressed. So nothing is glued on. Nothing is cemented. But it's working like it's supposed to. Just hope that they learn to use this picker, but probably I have the other kind. Probably they're not gonna use it. I might just go ahead and try to switch it to the other one. I am very happy with my watering system. I hope chickens are happy too. This is just the start of our off-grid life preparation, so I hope we get better at it. Thank you for watching.